All right, so just like solving logarithmic equations, solving exponential equations is sometimes tricky, and sometimes we need some tricks to help us solve them. So we're going to try a question here. It's going to be solve for c, and this is the equation. It's 8 to the exponent negative 5c plus 6 plus 10, and the 10 is on the bottom, it's not an exponent, is equal to 15. So the first thing we're going to do is get this exponent stuff by itself. So we're going to say minus 10, 8 to the exponent negative 5c plus 6 is equal to 5. So now we can see all we need to do is turn this into a logarithm and we're going to be able to solve it. If we were trying to solve this and trying to leave it as an exponential, there's really no tools in our basket that can do that in this course. So we need to use logarithms to do that. So we're going to change this all into a logarithm. So we're going to have 8 as our base. So we're going to have log of 8. And our number is going to be 5 is equal to negative 5c plus 6. Now, we can actually figure out what this is because it's just log of 5 divided by log of 8, right? So that's equal to negative 5c plus 6. And let's get rid of this 6. Let's move it to the other side. So we're going to say minus 6, and we're going to continue the question up at the top. We're going to have log of 5 divided by log of 8 minus 6 is equal to negative 5c. Now what I'm going to do is calculate what this is. And what this is actually 0.774 approximately minus 6 is equal to negative 5c. So then we get 5 or negative 5.23 is equal to negative 5c. So to get c by itself, we have to divide by negative 5. So then c is equal to 1.0, let's say 5. So rounded, c is equal to 1.05. So that is how you solve an exponential equation using logarithms. So we're going to try another question, and this one is going to be solve for y. We're going to have 5 times 6 to the exponent negative 6y is equal to 26. So obviously the first thing we need to do is get the exponent stuff by itself. So we're going to divide by 5, divide by 5. So 6 to the negative 6y is equal to 26 over 5, or 5.2. So now we have a number and we have an exponential over here. So all we have to do is convert this into logs. So we have log with a base of 6, and 5.2 is equal to negative 6y. And let's go up here to finish the equation, or finish the question. So we have log of 5.2 divided by log of 6 is equal to negative 6y. If I calculate this number, I get 0.92 is equal to negative 6y. We're going to divide by negative 6, divide by negative 6. So then y is equal to 0.92 divided by negative 6, which is just equal to negative 0.1534. So that's our y. So all we did was get the exponential stuff by itself and then convert it into logs, and then easily we can solve